You know those days when you're buried in work, emails, notifications, meetings, and endless busy work? You start with big plans, but by the end, you're exhausted and wonder, what did I actually accomplish? That was my reality, caught in a cycle of busyness, not productivity. So I tried something radical. I started replacing myself with AI. I didn't quit, I just handed off the most tedious, repetitive parts of my workflow to smart tools. One by one, I automated the mundane. The result? I got my time, focus, and creativity back. Today, I'll show you the 10 AI tools that made this possible, and how you can use them to reclaim your workday. Let's break the busy work cycle, one tool at a time. Here's how I did it. First up, Notion AI, my creative partner for organizing thoughts. In a world where ideas come at you fast and deadlines are always looming, having a tool that can keep up with your pace is a game changer. Notion AI isn't just another productivity app. It's like having a brainstorming partner who's always available, never gets tired, and is ready to help you make sense of the chaos. Notion was already my digital workspace, but with AI, it became my on-demand editor and brainstorm buddy. Whether I'm planning a new project, outlining a blog post, or just trying to get my thoughts in order, Notion AI is right there with me, ready to jump in and help. I dump messy notes, highlight them, and let Notion AI summarize, outline, or polish them instantly. It's like magic. What used to take me hours now happens in seconds. I can turn a wall of scattered ideas into a clear, actionable plan with just a few clicks. Stuck on a blank page? I prompt Notion AI for blog ideas or project plans. It always gets me started. Even when I'm feeling uninspired or overwhelmed, it offers up fresh perspectives, creative angles, and practical next steps. It's like having a collaborator who never runs out of energy or patience. It translates technical jargon for non-technical teammates, making cross-team communication effortless. I can take a complex technical document and with a single prompt, have Notion AI rewrite it in plain language that everyone can understand. This has saved me countless hours in meetings and back and forth emails. Before sharing docs, I ask it to improve my writing, tightening up my words without losing my voice. It catches awkward phrasing, suggests better transitions, and polishes my drafts so they're clear and professional. I still sound like me, just a sharper, more confident version. Sometimes I even use the voice-to-text feature to brainstorm out loud. Notion AI transcribes my thoughts and organizes them on the fly, so I never lose a good idea, even if it comes to me in the middle of a busy day. The best part? It's built right into my workflow. No copy-pasting, no friction. Everything happens in one place so I can stay focused and in the zone. Switching between tasks is seamless, and I never have to break my creative flow to get the help I need. For transforming chaos into clarity, breaking creative blocks, and making my writing shine, Notion AI is essential. It's not just about productivity, it's about unlocking creativity and making my best work possible. It handles the busy work of organizing and refining so I can focus on the ideas. Instead of getting bogged down in formatting or editing, I get to spend more time thinking, creating, and collaborating. Collaboration is easier too. I can share AI-generated outlines or summaries with teammates and everyone's instantly on the same page. It's like having a shared brain for the whole team. If you want to level up your notes and documents, start here. Notion AI is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. But once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. It's the foundation of my new workflow. Every project, every idea, every collaboration starts here. And it's made my work smoother, faster, and a lot more fun. Let's move to the next tool. Transition. Coding isn't all creative breakthroughs. It's a lot of repetitive boilerplate and syntax checks. For every moment of inspiration, there are hours spent wrestling with tedious tasks. Writing the same setup code, fixing tiny typos, and double-checking syntax. It's easy to get bogged down, losing momentum and focus as you switch between writing logic and searching for the right way to structure a function. Enter GitHub Copilot, my AI pair programmer, right inside my code editor. It's like having a knowledgeable coding partner who's always available, never gets tired, and is ready to help at a moment's notice. I write a comment or start a function, and Copilot suggests the rest, sometimes whole blocks of code. It's almost uncanny how it anticipates what I need, filling in the gaps and offering solutions before I even finish typing. Whether I'm building a new feature or refactoring old code, Copilot is there, suggesting lines, functions, and even entire algorithms. Writing unit tests? Copilot drafts them, covering edge cases and setup in seconds. Instead of spending hours writing repetitive test cases, I can focus on what really matters, making sure my code is robust and reliable. It even helps me spot scenarios I might have missed, making my tests more comprehensive. Need a code snippet? Just describe it, and Copilot generates it. No more context switching to search Stack Overflow. I can stay in the flow, keeping my attention on the problem at hand instead of bouncing between browser tabs and documentation. It's like having instant access to a vast library of coding knowledge right at my fingertips. It even exposes me to new libraries and methods, helping me learn as I go. Sometimes, Copilot suggests a function or a package I've never used before, nudging me to explore new tools and techniques. It's not just about speed, it's about growing as a developer, expanding my toolkit with every project. Of course, I review everything, it's a Copilot, not an autopilot. The responsibility for quality and correctness is still mine. I read through every suggestion, making sure it fits my project and meets my standards. Copilot is a powerful assistant, but it's up to me to steer the ship. But it offloads the tedious parts, so I can focus on logic and problem solving. With the repetitive work handled, I have more mental energy for creative solutions, architectural decisions, and tackling the real challenges that make coding rewarding. Copilot has reclaimed hours every week, making coding faster and more fun. I find myself finishing tasks ahead of schedule with more time to experiment, learn, and even take breaks. The sense of drudgery is gone, replaced by a feeling of flow and accomplishment. It doesn't replace developers, it supercharges them. By handling the repetitive and routine, Copilot lets us focus on what humans do best: creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. It's a tool that amplifies our abilities, not a substitute for them. If you write code, this is a game changer. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or just starting out, Copilot can help you code smarter, learn faster, and enjoy the process more than ever before. Let's see what's next. Transition. For everything in between, I rely on ChatGPT, my universal problem solver. Need to brainstorm, debug logic, or get a second opinion? I just describe the problem, and ChatGPT offers solutions or points out blind spots. It's my go-to for learning new concepts, explaining anything from server-side rendering to database design in plain English, drafting tricky emails or proposals. I feed it my key points, and it generates a polished draft. Even for quick questions like regex patterns or JSON examples, it saves me from interrupting teammates. The secret is asking good, specific prompts. Once you get the hang of it, ChatGPT becomes an indispensable thinking and learning partner. It handles the mental busywork so I can focus on bigger problems. Let's tackle meetings next. Transition. 11. Meetings, especially the unnecessary ones, are productivity killers. My solution? Loom asynchronous video messaging. Instead of a 30-minute meeting, I record a 5-minute Loom, explaining, demoing, or giving feedback on my own time. Recipients watch when it suits them, replay sections or speed it up, no more calendar chaos. For code reviews, bug reports, or team updates, Loom adds clarity and a human touch, without interrupting deep work. Loom's AI features generate titles, summaries, and chapters, making videos easy to scan and reference. By replacing low-value meetings with quick videos, I've reclaimed hours of focused work. Asynchronous communication is a superpower, especially for remote teams. Loom lets me communicate clearly, efficiently, and on my own schedule. Next, let's talk about memory. Transition. 13. Have you ever found yourself wasting precious minutes or even hours searching for that one article, code snippet, or important message you remember seeing just a few days ago? Maybe it was a link buried in a chat, a quote from a video call, or a piece of information you swore you saved, but now it's lost in a sea of browser tabs, sticky notes, and endless digital clutter. We've all been there, feeling frustrated and overwhelmed as we try to retrace our digital steps, only to come up empty-handed. That's where Rewind.ai steps in to change the game. Imagine a tool that quietly records everything you see, say, and hear on your Mac, capturing your entire digital experience but doing so with complete privacy. All your data is stored locally, never sent to the cloud, so your information stays safe and secure right on your own device. Rewind creates a living, searchable timeline of your digital life. Every website you visit, every conversation you have, every document you read or video you watch, it's all there, organized and instantly accessible. Even the words spoken in a video call or a link shared in a fleeting chat message become searchable, so nothing ever slips through the cracks again. Let's say you need to find a link from a Zoom chat last week. Instead of scrolling endlessly or digging through old emails, just type a keyword into Rewind. Instantly, it jumps to the exact moment in your timeline where that link appeared, saving you time and frustration. No more obsessively bookmarking every page or stressing over accidentally closed tabs. You can finally let go of the fear of losing something important because Rewind has your back. With Rewind, you can even use natural language to search. Just describe what you're looking for, and it finds it, whether it's a snippet of code, a meeting note, or a passing comment from weeks ago. It's like having a supercharged search engine for your entire digital world. It's more than just a tool, it's a second brain. Rewind lets you freely consume information, explore new ideas, and dive deep into your work, all with the confidence that you can always find what you need, exactly when you need it. If you're ever interrupted or need to revisit a project, just scroll back through your timeline. Instantly see where you left off, review your past work, and pick up right where you stopped, restoring your focus and momentum in seconds. By eliminating the mental overhead of searching for lost information, Rewind frees up your brain for what really matters: creative thinking, problem solving, and deep work. You'll spend less time hunting for answers and more time actually getting things done. Rewind is a quiet, invisible tool with a massive impact on your productivity and peace of mind. With your digital memory always at your fingertips, you're ready to tackle whatever comes next. Now, let's see how it can transform your email workflow. Transition. Email, the original digital time sink, Superhuman transformed my inbox from chaos to calm. It's all about speed. Keyboard shortcuts let me process, reply, and archive in seconds. Snippets save my most common replies as templates, no more repetitive typing. AI triage highlights important emails so I focus on what matters. The command palette lets me snooze, schedule, or turn emails into tasks, keeping my inbox clear and my mind at ease. AI-powered rewrite polishes my messages right in the compose window. Now I spend just 15-20 minutes a day on email with zero anxiety. Superhuman is an investment in focus and control. If email drains you, this tool is a must. Let's move to content creation. Transition. 13. Video editing used to be a bottleneck. Complex timelines, endless tweaks. Descript changed everything. Import a video and it transcribes it instantly. To edit, just edit the text, delete a sentence and it's gone from the video. Remove filler words with one click, making recordings tight and professional. Overdub lets me fix mistakes by typing new words. Descript generates my voice for seamless corrections. Collaboration is easy. Share, comment, and edit like a Google Doc. It's perfect for podcasts too. Edit interviews, balance audio, and remove crosstalk effortlessly. Descript democratizes editing, saving hours and letting me focus on the message, not the timeline. If you create content, this tool is a game changer. Next, let's talk research. Transition. 12. Information overload is real, so I use TLDR this to cut through the noise. Paste any article or link and it generates a concise, AI-powered summary in seconds. I triage dozens of articles quickly, picking out only the most relevant ones for deeper reading. It offers different summary lengths, so I get just the right amount of detail. Sharing summaries with my team means they actually engage with key ideas, no more unread links. TLDR. This offloads the initial scan, saving my brain power for critical thinking and application. It's a simple tool with a massive impact on learning and staying current. Now let's automate the grunt work. Transition. 10. So much digital busy work is just moving info between apps. Zapier is my automation engine, connecting thousands of apps with simple if this then that workflows. I automate tasks like saving invoices from email to Drive or turning calendar events into to-dos, no coding needed, just set up a Zap and it runs in the background. Zapier's new AI steps can summarize feedback, analyze sentiment, and post results to Slack, next-level automation. Every Zap is like hiring a tiny robot for a boring task. The more Zaps I build, the more time I save. Zapier eliminates manual data entry and repetitive chores, letting me focus on real work. If you're the glue between your apps, let Zapier take over. One last tool to go. Transition. In remote work, audio quality matters. Krisp is my AI-powered noise-canceling app. It erases background noise from my mic and speakers in real time. Barking dogs, construction, or noisy cafes, Krisp makes sure only my voice comes through. It's easy to set up. Just select Krisp as your mic in any call app. It even filters noise from the other side, so I hear colleagues clearly too. No more stressing about finding a quiet spot or apologizing for background sounds. Krisp runs quietly in the background, making every call professional and distraction-free. Clear audio means better communication and less friction. In a world of virtual meetings, this tool is a must-have. Let's wrap up. That's it. 10 tools that transformed my work. Real productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing less of what drains you and more of what matters. These tools didn't just save me time, they gave me back my creativity, energy, and focus. You don't need to adopt all 10 at once. Start with one. Find a recurring pain point, pick a tool, and reclaim your time, one step at a time. Let AI handle the busy work so you can focus on what only you can do. If this video inspired you, hit like, share your favorite AI tool in the comments, and subscribe to AI Tech Think for more no-fluff productivity hacks. Thanks for watching. Now go take your time back. End.